This is the Model 58 digital humidistat. It comes with an outdoor air sensor, which is this, and also a manual mode resistor. The manual mode resistor, when installed properly, as this one is, eliminates the need for installing the outdoor air temperature sensor. Now in manual mode, it will not know what the temperature is outside, so it will not automatically adjust the humidity setting up and down as the temperature changes throughout the day and season. With the outdoor air temperature sensor, this sensor, when placed outside, will see the outdoor air temperature and send the appropriate signal back through the wiring to the humidistat so that it can raise and lower the humidity setting based on how cold it is outside. And that's actually a better way to do it, which is why they give you both. This is the preferred method. If for some reason you can't put this in, you can always use the manual mode resistor. Now, this one again has a manual mode resistor installed on it, and we can see right here it's telling us that the humidity in this ductwork right now in our video studio is 38%. And if we spin this up here, we get it to the point where we are setting the humidity level higher than that 38%. We've just turned the humidifier on, so it's now running. Now, one of the important things is there is a test button here. So if we spin this all the way around to the test mode will force the humidifier to run for 1 minute. And what it's really good for is checking out your humidifier. So when you do maintenance to your humidifier, even in the summertime, no matter what the humidity is, you can always spin it from left all the way to off, all the way up to the test position. It will force, you'll see the light came on, it forces the humidifier on, it will run it for 1 minute. Now after that minute times out, it will start to blink and the humidifier will no longer be running. So then what you have to do is spin it back around to off and back around to on to get it to come back on. Now the other thing that this position does is it says test or reset. There's a little light here that says change water panel, which is not on right now. And what that light is for, basically it's a timer. So after so many hours of operation of this humidistat telling the humidifier to run, it will bring this little indicator light on that says change water panel. Now, it doesn't really know the water panel is bad. It doesn't know if the humidifier is working. It doesn't know anything other than like an egg timer. After so many minutes, in this case so many hours, it will bring the light on. Now the way to reset that is each time you change your humidifier pad, you should come around to the humidistat, spin it all the way up to the test or reset position, leave it in that position for about a minute or so. And if you happen to have your change water panel light on when this is happening, it will time out and shut off. Then you can, after a minute or two, spin it back to your normal setting. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.